Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. And today is Tuesday, October 26, 2021. It is 11:40 and 16 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, emotions. So let's hop to it here. Men, women ride the same emotional roller coaster. Date October 25th, 2021. Source, University of Michigan. Contrary to widely held gender stereotypes, women are not more emotional than men, researchers say. Feelings such as enthusiasm, nervousness, or strength are often interpreted differently between the two genders. It is what being emotional means to men versus women. Researchers dispel these biases. For instance, a man whose emotions fluctuate during a sporting event is described as passionate, but a woman whose emotions change due to any event, even if provoked, is considered irrational. Researchers followed 142 men and women over 75 days to learn more about their daily emotions, both positive and negative. The women were divided into 4 groups, 1 naturally cycling, and 3 others using different forms of oral contraceptives. The researchers detected fluctuations in emotions 3 different ways, and then compared the sexes. They found little to no differences between men and various groups of women, suggesting that men's emotions fluctuate to the same extent as women's do, although likely for different reasons. Researchers also didn't find meaningful differences between the groups of women, making clear that emotional highs and lows are due to many influences, not only hormones. The findings have implications beyond everyday people, the researchers say. Women have historically been excluded from research participation, in part due to the assumption that ovarian hormone fluctuations lead to variation, especially in emotion, that can't be experimentally controlled. The research study uniquely provides psychological data to show that justifications for excluding women in the first place, because fluctuating ovarian hormones, and consequently, emotions confounded experiments, were misguided. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.